In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through all the ways you can customize your quiz design in the RevenueHunt app. There are several places where you can change the look and feel of your quiz: Quiz Design tab, Questions tab, Results page tab, or Question, Choice, Section, and Block settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to make your quiz look and feel like part of your brand. Let's start with the main design controls. Once you open your quiz and click Customize, the first stop is the Quiz Design tab. Here you control the overall look of your quiz. You can start with pre-designed color schemes. You can change fonts for headings and body text, or even set them to inherit the fonts from your store theme so everything feels consistent. Color schemes are also fully customizable. For example, you can pick your accent colors for buttons, choices, and other inputs. You can do this by selecting from a palette or by entering a hex code that matches your brand. Backgrounds can be global as well. You can keep it simple with a solid color, or upload a background image, then adjust its opacity so the text remains easy to read. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find options for navigation and transitions. You can change the navigation bar color, adjust the progress bar and its percentage display, and even decide how slides transition, either sliding up and down or left and right. You can always switch between desktop and mobile previews, and even toggle between looking at questions and results, so you know exactly how your changes look everywhere. Remember to save the changes. You can also preview the quiz to see how it flows. Finally, if you're looking to go beyond built-in options, the Advanced tab lets you add custom CSS that applies to the entire quiz. A quick tip here: you can ask our Quiz Copilot assistant for help in adjusting your quiz CSS. If you prefer to write the code yourself, you can use your browser's Inspect tool to grab element selectors before writing your CSS rules. Now let's jump into the Questions tab. This is where you design individual slides. You can add blocks like text, images, videos, or answer choices. For example, you might add a logo at the top of a slide, or insert a short explainer video to make the quiz more engaging. When you click on a question, you'll see question settings on the side. Here, you can upload a featured image as a background or as a split layout, and choose the alignment or how it behaves on mobile. Whether it shows above, below, or is hidden entirely. Each question also supports custom CSS or JavaScript, so you can style or script it independently. In the advanced settings, you'll often find extra controls, like the ability to auto-advance a statement question after a few seconds. Each block inside a question has its own design options. Headings and text blocks let you format text, add bold or links, or even dynamically recall a user's previous answer. Image blocks let you resize and align graphics. Picture choice blocks have advanced controls where you can pick the image ratio. Tiny icons, small icons, medium squares, or large rectangles. If you select the medium size, you also unlock mobile layout options, such as showing 1 per row, 2 per row, or a carousel. You can even hide checkboxes or labels if you want a cleaner look. And don't forget that you can drill down to individual choice settings for fine-tuning specific answers. The flexibility here means every block can be styled in a way that matches your brand. After questions, let's move to the Results Page tab. This is where you control what customers see at the end of the quiz. You can add as many sections and blocks as you like: text blocks for explanations, image or video blocks for visuals, button blocks for links, and even custom HTML if you want to embed something unique. Just like with questions, each block has its own design settings, so you can style headings, control text layouts, or align and resize images. In the Results Page settings, you can set a dedicated background image just for the results. Or add custom CSS and JavaScript that only apply here. One area you'll want to pay special attention to is the product block. This is where your recommended products appear. You can change the alignment, adjust text sizes, and decide exactly which components to show in each product card. Things like product image, title, price, vendor, or even meta fields from your Shopify catalog. You can drag and drop these components into the order you want, or remove any you don't need. Each component also comes with its own settings. For example, you can choose the quality of product images, or select which meta fields to display. So to recap, you can edit your design globally in the Quiz Design tab, customize each slide in the Questions tab, fine-tune every block and choice with their own settings, and polish the final experience in the Results Page tab. And when you need extra control, custom CSS and JavaScript are available at every level. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.